Sure, it's like,
I don't know what you're filming, guys, but I feel like I can't.
I am filming. Just say something right now.
You can see the equipment again. The aim of our experiment is to find the calorific value of 2 pieces of breast, so that we know which ones to eat if we want to get thinner. Observing all the safety rules, the first thing we will do is light the flame, put the crisp on the end of the pointy thing, and when it's burning, the second thing we'll do is hold it underneath there until it's gone, and then the third thing we'll do is measure the temperature of the water. Independent variable is the crisp or whatever is on the end of this pointy thing. Have you deleted it already then?
Go.
I forgot what it's called now. The dependent variable is the temperature of the water in this test tube,
Which we are going to measure with...
right, which we are going to measure with the thermometer. I thought we'd already said that.
Well done.
Control variables are the height of the flame, the distance of the flame from the test tube, and the amount of water in the test tube. We'll keep these the same by checking the distance between here and here and the height, and we'll measure the water in this tube. To ensure safety, we're going to put on some goggles, move all the chairs well out of the way, and keep in a standing position. Yeah, and it's running.
Our first experiment is with green cracker.
That'll set the smoke alarms off, surely. I think really we should break a small piece of that off. How to do close-ups.
Just move the camera closer.
Set fire to the camera. I think that's really going to burn the school down. I'm going to go behind you.
If anybody wants an extra heat-proof mat, there's a mat box over here.
Yeah, I think you should throw that in the sink.
Dropped in half. There, it's on fire. It's on the table. It's on the table.
Yeah, it is.
Ah, it's gone squishy.
It should have just been a little cube of it.
How the heck? We need to rest that on there.
I think that's probably enough. I mean, I'm sure we should have broken a small piece of it off. I mean, by the time it'll probably blow the thermometer up.
It's not a monitor, it's not. I think it'll be fine.
I'm going to stop this one.
Go.
I think we should just do it for a fixed amount of time. Otherwise, we're going to be in
Until
trouble.
this one burns up, this will take the shortest time to burn.
Are you videoing each one, are you? I'm not sure.
Stop.
I'm not sure though. Last measurement, if we just go over there, finish off that, I'll be pleased.
Okay.
Whenever you can. Move into the flame, get under the temperature.
21 for it start. Yeah.
Timer running.
The cracker start temperature 21. Put it in the middle. And heat it up.
I think these are
Okay.
done 18 seconds yet.
Did you turn off the cast up when you finished?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just drop it somewhere. That is the most inefficient way to put something on.
Well, being a pyromaniac, Ivo set fire to a huge piece of cream cracker, which took about 5 minutes to burn, completely blackened the test tube. So we had to abandon that part of the results because we realised then we should have been timing it. But had we been timing that one, the school would have burned down. So we then only had time really to do a piece of crisp and what Ivo's called a bacon thing. And the result shown clearly by that was that the bacon thing contained a much higher calorific value, because by this point we were measuring 18 seconds, which we'd arrived at for the crisp, so we stuck to the same time for the bacon thing, and that produced a lot more energy in those 18 seconds. Whether this is because Ivo forgot to work the stopwatch, I'm not sure, but I don't think so. Is that true, Ivo? Did you get it right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
21 degrees.
So, of course, on the basis that to get into this red dress he wanted less calorific value, we'd recommend that he ate the crisps. That's in them. Let me explain the results. You have to pause in that last bit.
I can't hear a word you're saying, really.
Well, that's no good. We can't really explain the results using science, so I was advised that I missed that one out. There weren't any anomalies because we didn't burn enough things to have them, so they were probably both anomalies for all we know. So really, yes, there were lots of problems, but not really with our equipment, entirely with our printed, or in fact really lack of time. I think the main way we can improve the experiment would be to have a weighed amount of each thing and a clearly fixed time, which would probably involve a third person working the stopwatch, but because of working the camera and the stopwatch simultaneously makes that a bit difficult. It is now, yeah.
Right, starting 3, 2, 1. Another way we could have improved our experiment is if we'd used one of these thingamajigs, which are like laser thermometer things, which directly measure temperature when they work, which isn't very often, on any certain item.
That's it?
Yeah.